Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. In this box, I have some super awesome craft room storage. And y'all, it was so inexpensive. Stay tuned. Y'all, welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers. Thank you all so much for choosing to be here today. I really appreciate it. Y'all know that we don't always just do crafting on the channel. Sometimes we are looking for inexpensive storage solutions for our crafty spaces. And that's what I have today. I was searching Amazon, looking for something else when this came up. I decided to order one because I thought, that's a really inexpensive price. I wonder if it's any good. Well, I was so impressed that I went back and I ordered two more. And what is even more impressive is that I assembled it myself. Normally, I'll ask Mike to do it, but I said to myself, girl, you've got this. This one is easy. You can do it. And it's so easy that I'm going to flip to my overhead camera and we're going to put it together. And once it's put together, you'll see exactly what it is. All right, y'all, so I have zoomed out so that I can give you a closer look at everything I have here. So each box will contain a Phillips head screwdriver. You'll have 8 of these little slots, and then you'll have this large piece here. You'll also have the screws, screw anchors if you need them, and then some little rubber feet. So, y'all, here are the instructions. I'm not going to use them because this is so easy to do. So what we do is we're going to take this and we're going to open it like this. Then we'll take our first shelf and just let it fall into place. Then we're going to have a screw that we just grab. And we're going to screw that in. I'm not going to screw it in all the way just yet. We'll do the same thing over here. So you can see, there's the screw. I'm just going to screw it in a little bit. We'll go back and tighten these once we get it put together. Then I'm going to take this one and we're going to put it right here in the middle. Now on the side, you'll have 3 places for the screws, one at the bottom, one at the top, and one in the middle. So I started out with the bottom. I put my bottom shelf in first. So now I'm going to put this one in. Just screw it a little bit to get it started. Then I'll just lay it on its side. We're going to do the same thing here. We put that screw in. And we're going to screw a little bit. And now I'll take this shelf and we're going to put it in right here at the top. Very easy. It's really pretty self-explanatory. So I am just going to take this, put that screw in, and screw it there to get it started. And y'all, I'm doing this on camera with you guys because I want you to see how easy this really is to put together. So we're going to take this screw, put it in, and let's just go ahead and screw this. And now that I have all of my screws in, I am just going to tighten them. So you'll actually be placing 6 screws to your tray. And this time I'm making sure that I get those screws in there nice and tight. If you have an electric drill, this would go very quickly. I do have one, as a matter of fact, but it makes a lot of noise. So I'm just going to do this the old-fashioned way. Let's flip it over. And then we just do the same thing with all of the screws. You just want to go in and tighten them all so that you don't have the wobbles. And now I have all of my screws tightened. I am just going around to make sure that I have them all very tight. All right, so now it's nice and tight, and you can see that I don't have the wiggles or the wobbles at all. So all we do at this point is we load our other shelves and we feed them through the existing slots. And y'all, look at this. I did it myself, and you saw me do it. It took no time at all, and look, no wobbles. What I'm doing is putting on the corner pieces so that no matter where I place it, I'll have a nice little protection for the surface. All right, y'all, just so that you know, once you put it all together, you are going to have some leftover screws. So you haven't made a mistake if you notice that you have some leftovers. I had 3 in this pack, 2 in the other. So you're going to have these nice little handy dandy Phillips head screwdrivers that you can put in your craft room toolbox. But look at how gorgeous this is. I am shaking this, y'all, and I have 0 wobbling taking place. So this is too large to fit in one of the slots of my calyx, but I can take this and I can place it on top. I can take it and place it on top of a dresser or any place where I have a level surface. And what I really like, y'all, is that you can also slide the non-anchor drawers out very easily. The drawers where we have the screws, those will not slide out, but the other drawers will. So you'll have easy access to whatever you want to put in here. Y'all, this was $26 on Amazon. I will have it linked in the description box below. I am going to do a nice Price is Right spin on this so that you can see how sturdy it is. Now, I think the dimensions are 12 1/4 this way, 9 inches this way, and 21 inches this way. So you can place 12 by 12s in here, but you will have that 3-inch overhang. I got this is for my 8.5 by 11-inch papers, because now that I have 3 of them, I have 24 places where I can place 8.5 by 11, or if I decide to place something here on the top, I can do that as well. But we have these nice little carrying handles so that you can pick it up and you can move it. So anytime that I find something that I think is going to be helpful to some of you, especially those of you who are crafting on a budget and you're looking for inexpensive ways to enhance your crafty space, I'm going to share it. And I think that this is one of those things, because for $26, y'all, this is a nice sturdy metal. It seems to be powder coated white, well constructed. This is a non-sponsored video. I happened to run across this by accident on Amazon, and I thought I'd give it a try. But y'all, I give this 2 thumbs up because it is a well-made, inexpensive addition to my crafty space. So I hope that you have enjoyed my newest little find, and I hope that you enjoyed watching me put it together, because now that should inspire you and encourage you to know that if you decide to get this, you can put it together as well. So I'll have a link for this in the description box. If you have questions about it, please go out and read the manufacturer's description. I've shared with you everything that I know about it, so that description might have a little bit more information. So I hope that you've liked this video. And if you want to see more videos like this, please let me know by leaving me a comment in the comment section below. As always, my friends, y'all please be safe, be kind, and be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.